guys, welcome back to my Bigal Somit channel. My name is Angelina Patel. So as usual, today is our annual sport. So I am so what our annual sport side playing games and guys, annual sport annual sport. So let's go, guys. Guys, now I am first going down. I am saw our kabaddi playing one. I am only step video one super gift that playing one how to play. Guys, first pengo gara na nolum kabaddi ke naam langkan biya guys. Now I think guys already start that kabaddi one playing. So let's go first, guys. Guys, that play one is our blue team and that second one is our that green team. Then now who is come? I don't know. Oh, Moring is guys going. So let's see how to play. Guys, kapola kap keli dagjin. Oh, guys, going. Then from our blue team, brother Dunura is going to him catching over. Let's see. Oh, guys, not catching. Very good. Wow. Now guys, green team from the that was saying Digote is going. Guys, catching or not catching, let's see. Guys, guy kapola boom catching, lang catching. Oh, catching, very good, guys. Guys, kata ako ngolu blue team do kay jangko gara class 6 do ka amin na kinna. Guys, nolu green nam support tang ne, blue nam support tang ne. Please comment box below comment ka bilang ka. Guys, because of I am blue team, decide blue team will winner. I am thinking guys, I don't know what will winner and what color you will write. Again guys, one boy is going. I think guys blue promo ni. Guys, our blue team pro I think will winner. I am very happy. Guys, look, this is our sari motto. How to dance this thing, guys. Look, very nice. Because of our blue team is kabaddi pro winner. Now that's why he is very happy, guys. Guys, nulu apa ngolangkan dia ngolong misaring ma. Ati kakak lagi ngolong misaring ma. Guys, kayak kapla ngolong misaring ma. Guys, we ngolong misaring dulu kato kap tukirin gay mo rakji. Wow, very nice. Ako yang pusing ngol kia, yang po ngol ke rebu kamu sina, ngol ke football ke nam nalung ngol kan biar guys, ngol ke ngol ke yang po dung nam tu macam joko kan biar ngol ke ngol video sam sekolah ngol dubo kapor katu mulo like, comment, subscribe dan bye bye.